How to blur a video on CapCut. First of all, open CapCut on your PC and you can load any video you want. Just go ahead and drag it down, copy the video and paste it. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on the second video and just go ahead and tap on effects on the top left. Then go ahead and search for blur. You can use any blur. You can just go ahead and drag it and drop it to the second video. So you cannot see the blur right here, but what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this video over here. After you do this, you can perfectly see the video. Now, what you need to do is select the first video and you can see the video option on the top left. You can just go ahead and tap on this. On the right hand side, you can see on the top left is video. Just go ahead and tap on video, tap on mask, and you can see the add mask option. Just go ahead and tap on add mask. You can see there are various shapes like circle, rectangles, and stars. You can use any one of these. So what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this option of mask settings. This is the reverse icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. You can select the part of video you want to blur out. So as the video keeps moving, you can see that the video will move and the time length will move as well. To blur the exact same space, you can just go ahead and mark it as this option of keyframe. Just go ahead and add it and you can drag it from here and you can perfectly add the keyframe and it will perfectly be blur on the spaces you have wanted to. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.